This is Wonder Workshops out for the dog walk, which takes about half an hour, and I often collect driftwood, which I then use for various purposes. And the latest one is cutting sections of wood like this one here, which is going to be a block for wood cutting, and it's got the lovely cracks in this particular log. Had these cracks, and it's also got finer lines, which you can see there, the growth lines, and then the medulla rays. Anyway, it's a wonderful piece, and you might be wondering why it's got that plaster under it. Well, that's my way of not having to cut completely accurately across, which is almost impossible with a handsaw or even a bandsaw, anything that can cut a big-ish cross-section. So what I do is I put a frame around it of the exact height that I want, so the recycled particle board, make a frame of it, and then I pour some thick plaster. It's actually hydrostone, which is strong plaster of Paris, and then press the log section down onto the plaster using a set square or a straight edge that goes right across the log onto the frame, and the frame sets the height of the log, and the plaster, the log sinks into the plaster to the height of the frame. So do it both ways, and hey presto, it's automatically adjusted to a level height, which is essential if you're using a roller, like an etching press, which I like to do, to make the prints, because obviously if it's a wedge shape, it's going to stick in the press and not print evenly, or not print at all. So there we are, and what a lovely scene we have here with young Nick's head out in the distance there. They've actually reintroduced the rare native tuatara to that peninsula, and got rid of all the rats and the predators that would endanger them, and they are apparently breeding. So there we are. This is the beach that we usually go to. Young Nick's head. There's young Nick, and he was the young cabin boy or helper who actually first sighted New Zealand in Captain Cook's pioneering and mapping voyage around New Zealand. Right. Back to the gallery very soon with this, and we'll probably put some kind of an image, carve it into the middle of this section, and do a woodcut. So there'll be videos on that following shortly, I trust. Got to keep producing, got to keep doing art, as well as giving out, as well as having workshops. We've got to feed our own creative soul.